Putting together the Super Eye Horizon is a piece of cake. Insert the metal piece there. This is the only screw you worry about. Bring on the handle. I like to have it extended as far as I can, but you can make it much shorter if you need to. And then place your arm strap in. I like that to be a little bit shorter, so I adjust it a little bit further in. I've got my grip right where I want it. Run my Velcro strap through the eyelet onto my arm. All I got to do is plug it in and I'm ready to go. And to do that, I'm going to wrap it around the post just a few times so that it doesn't dangle down and hang loose. And then simply insert it there. All you got to do is turn the power on. Goes through a couple of functions and you're ready to go. But we don't want to find everything on the screen up here. We want to eliminate a couple of the little metals on there that maybe wouldn't be something we'd want to be hunting for. Put your mode on custom. We've eliminated that one already. If I hit the plus sign one time, it's going to get rid of that second metal we don't want to find. Now I want to keep the nickel on there, but I don't want to find bottle caps, so I'm going to hit it twice. Gone. Now I think we've got what we want on there to go look around. This one has a waterproof rating of about 68. So I can actually walk around in about 5 to 10 inches of water and look for material out here. Look, I love being out in nature and I love finding treasure. So why not do both at the same time? It's relaxing and it's fun. And you never know, the Super Eye might just find you something really good. The Super Eye also comes with a handy knife, serrated blade on both sides, and measurements. Because your Super Eye tells you how deep something might be, you can use this to determine how far down you need to dig. This is heavy duty and great for digging up whatever precious metal you might find. When you're done with your shovel, it comes with this handy blade cover. This way you can take care of it and nobody's going to get hurt. This is the newest model from Super Eye. It's the Horizon X6. It's an absolute fantastic metal detector. Great if you're a novice and great if you're a professional. And you honestly never know what you might find. A gold ring, a silver coin, or quite possibly real treasure. I'm kind of hoping to find a nice big fat gold nugget, but we'll see. That's my dream. The Super Eye Horizon X6 has me on my way to finding my treasure.